So you have a T-Mobile REVVL tablet and you have an issue where the screen is frozen or unresponsive and you cannot restart or power down the traditional way. Maybe you can't bring this up, or you bring the power off menu up here and you tap on it and it doesn't do anything. What you can simply do to fix a unresponsive or frozen screen is just go ahead and restart it using the hard keys here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to force a restart. We're going to press and hold the power button and the volume up. Press and hold at the same time. Keep on holding until the screen turns black and then let go. Okay, we'll do it together. Power button, volume up. Pretend my screen here is frozen. Power button, volume up. Ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Keep on holding till the screen turns black, or count to about like 13 seconds, okay? So I'm still holding on, power button, volume up. Okay, it just turned black. Let go now. Okay, you don't want to hold it too long. If you hold it too long, it may go into the no command, then you'll have to exit out of there. Anyway, it's going to boot up normally now, and hopefully when it boots up, you'll be out of a frozen or unresponsive screen. Your screen will be working. If it's still frozen or unresponsive, go ahead and do the force restart again. And we're back up. All right, good luck, guys.